Hello guys, welcome to Tally Prime classes, and in this video we are going to discuss about the golden rules of account. Basically the terminology, how we have to pass the journal entries, we will see about those rules. So here, if I talk about the golden rules of account, they are divided according to account wise. These rules basically help us to pass accounting entries easily in the book of accounts. Let's see what are these. So here, golden rules of account, as I had said, they are divided into the personal, real and nominal account. If I talk about the personal account rule, it is debit the receiver and credit the giver. If any person or organization is the receiver, you have to debit that, and if it is a giver, you have to credit that. In the real account, we have to debit what comes in and credit what goes out. If any assets is coming in, you have to debit that. If any asset going out, you have to credit that. If I talk about the nominal account rule, we have to debit all the expense or losses and we have to credit all the income or gain profit. In this, DR means debit and CR means credit. So guys, in this video we have discussed about the golden rules of account. What are these and how we can use those? Thank you.